How to make money with Instacart. Want to make money delivering groceries using your phone? Here's how to make money with Instacart. First, sign up to become an Instacart shopper and get approved. Once you're in, you'll start receiving orders in your area. Next, accept delivery batches and shop for customers in stores like grocery markets. You'll pick out items, check quality, and complete the order through the app. Then you deliver the groceries directly to the customer's door. You earn money from delivery fees, tips, and bonuses. To make more money, work during peak hours like evenings and weekends when demand is highest. Be fast, accurate, and friendly. Good service often leads to higher tips. You can also choose between being a full-service shopper or just doing deliveries, depending on what fits your schedule. The key is consistency and efficiency. The more orders you complete, the more you earn. Start whenever you want and turn your free time into income with Instacart.